Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Teachable paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Teachable paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your paid subscription, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu right here, and you want to click on this button here called billing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the plan that you have set up with Teachable right here. And in order to cancel your paid subscription, here on the top right, you're going to click on Manage Plan. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on the red button, Cancel Plan. Okay, next, Teachable is going to ask you a few questions. So what made you decide to downgrade? So go ahead and choose one that applies to you. And then here, they're asking if they can reach out to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click No. And then you want to click here, Continue Canceling Plan. Okay, from time to time, Teachable is going to offer you something extra to keep the plan. So they're giving this trial account an extra 7 days. You can go ahead and choose to accept that or not. If not, go ahead and click on Continue Canceling Plan. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your paid subscription in Teachable, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.